Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher. Today I teach you resistance in electric current. What is first thing in our mind? What is resistance? Resistance is the breaker of current. It is opposite of the current, that is say to resistance. What happens when current is flow in forward direction, when resistance is opposite of that direction? So that is very difficult to move the current in forward direction. So that is the action of that resistance. If you suppose in your mind, when you move in a temple, then or in a fair, then that is more crowd is here, then you are move forward direction is very slow. But in open places where no person is here and there, you move in very easy and very fast. So in previous case, when crowd is here, then you move in forward direction, then you applied more force and you gain more heat, your sweats outside. But in no crowd is here, that places you move in easily place. Such like process that happen in the current. That is the effect of resistance, that is say to resistance. It is denoted by R. It is research of the scientist, that name is Ohm's. That is Ohm's law is name. Resistance is given by Ohm's. In previous classes I also discussed Ohm's. That is Ohm's law. It is symbol of Ohm. Resistance is symbol of Ohm. Symbol. It is Ohm's. Ohm's law. Okay, then resistance means opposes the electric current. That is current move in forward direction, that resistance move in backward direction. So that is the case of opposes of electric current. Opposes of electric current. Electric current is denoted by I. Resistance is denoted by R. In previous Ohm's law is given V is equal to IR. In previous classes also discuss you. Then V is equal to IR, then V by I, that is V by I equal to R is here, I is there. So that is numerator, that is denominator, that is R is equal to V by I, where V is potential difference and I is current. So R resistance is equal to potential difference by current. So it is denoted by R is equal to V by A. I means potential difference by current. Potential difference unit is volt and current unit is ampere. Volt per ampere, that is resistance unit. So volt per ampere, that is 1 volt by 1 ampere, that is 1 ohm. That is resistance. Okay, some factor are depend on the resistance, that is size of conductor. Conductor means you are studying in previous classes, that material through passes the electric current, that is say to conductor. When that material not passes through the current, that is insulator. And semiconductor are also sometime passes the current and sometime not passes the current. When heat is generated, then that time passes the current. So some silicon and germanium are two types of, that is semiconductor. You are studying in previous classes in that material through when heat is more, then passes the electric current. When heat is cooled, then that behaves like a insulator. So that is say to semiconductor. In that chapter now discuss the conductor. It is depend on the material. When you wire come seen that inside the, that is metal, copper wire, iron wire, aluminum wire is inside, upper cover is rubber. So that is the depend on his size inside that material, that is the conductor. His conductor is cross sectional area, wire conductor inside the wire, that is the cross sectional area, that is cross sectional area is increases, means his resistivity is more, and it is depend on, that is the conductor. And nature of material, such types of material means aluminum material, copper material, silver material, gold material, that is depend on that material. Such types of material is used in resistance conductor wire. So it is resistance depend on that of material. Another thing is depend on temperature. Such types of load is given on that wire. When your wire thickness is less, then you uses heavy load, you uses the heater, you uses the geyser, you uses the AC, air condition, then more is load is more than that times your thickness of wire, means cross sectional area of that wire is very less than that is melted, because more resistance is generated. So that time that wire is melted. So that factor are depends on of that wire. Say to that is resistance. Resistance means that is the generate of heat and opposes the current. When opposes the current, that is heat is produced. When more heat is produced, that our wire is melted. Okay, so that is resistance. And that SI unit is ohms, and 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt by 1 ampere. Okay, next topic I discuss about that material of resistance in rho is equal to R by LA, that is R is equal to rho L by A, means R is resistance, rho is density, L is length, and A is cross sectional area. Then R is resistance, rho is density, L is length, and A is cross sectional area. That is the wire of depend on, that is conductor of wire, that is depend on cross sectional area, means his thickness is large, less, and his length is how much length of that wire, and his cross sectional area is such types, such density is what density. So that material is different material makes the conductor wire, so that material is density is also different. So these factors are depend on our resistance. So that is the in case of conductor wire material. Okay, thank you.